Alright, Java nerds, listen up. What we have here is a program that we're calling stuff, and inside stuff we have a class called stuff.java, which has our main method. What we're going to do now is create a new class, and inside that class we're going to create two getters and setter methods to get information from that class. So let's get started. So you're gonna right click over here, you're gonna click new Java class, and we're gonna call it rectangle, and make sure the first thing is capitalized. So R is capitalized always. Press enter, and here we have our rectangle class. Okay, all right. So we're gonna create a private int length and length. I'm gonna make it equal to 0. Private int width, make that equal to 0. And field length can be file. I don't know what that means. I don't really give a shit. And we're gonna create a constructor for this object. We're gonna call it a this is called an overloaded constructor. So here's how that's gonna work. We're gonna make it the same. We're gonna make it the same thing, same name as that class. We're gonna type in these properties, and we're gonna call it int L. Int L, int W, and we're gonna open this up. So we have our overloaded constructor, and we're basically gonna say length equal to L with equal to W, and we're pretty much, that's it. Okay, that's our overloaded constructor. So now let's create the getters and setters. We're gonna create a getter. Okay, so public public int get length is gonna return length, and the same thing with public int pclick is not a thing. Public int get width is gonna return our width. Now we're gonna, let's see if it works. Okay, we're gonna create a rectangle object in our main method. So we're gonna create rectangle rect1 is equal to new rectangle, and we're gonna give it values of length is gonna be 15 and 20, and we're gonna hit pop. Okay, now we're gonna print out these values to see if it's if we get the same thing as we wanted. System.out.println length plus rect1 dot get length. Okay, and we're gonna print out system.out.println width rect1 dot get width. Okay, it should print out 15 and 20, so let's see if it does. Length is 15, width is 20. Boom. Now let's make that just a little bit prettier. Let's add that colon and that space so you guys don't bark at me. There you go. It prints out 15 and it prints out 20. So that's how you create a getter and setter. I know I might have gone a little too far with the overloaded constructor, but you guys should learn this stuff. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. More tutorials coming soon that are going to cover stuff from college. Thank you.